I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen.
A lot of my friends were interested in knowing what instruments do I trade, what broker do I use, and how things work in the market. So I would like to provide a brief overview of my kind of what do I do during the day while maintaining my work, and so how things go on. So here I'd like to show. So this is my profit and loss report for February. My like kind of trading capital is like somewhere close to 10 lakhs. So that's how I started with. Now I might have added around 3.5 lakhs to the capital. So my trading margin would be somewhere around say like 10 lakh plus. I also like do some equity trading, so I usually keep in my mind that I have close to 10 lakh margin by pledging and by some free cash. So in my mind to trade, other than that, I don't pay close attention to like everyday trades and other things. After every month I do have a look at my profits and what has worked in my trading log, but otherwise I don't kind of worry so much about the money. Rather I focus more on the process. So this is my Zerodha account. So this is what I use. Thiraviraj is my last name, so like my father's name, so you would see that frequently. So usually like to observe the market movements during the day, I do use the charts of Nifty 50, Nifty Bank February futures, and Bank Nifty futures. So you can see like for monitoring the index, I use the 15-minute charts, and for monitoring like both the index I use 15-minute charts, and for monitoring the future positions I use the 5-minute charts. And usually I also have like volume and ATR added to it. So I do keep a track of volumes, so to volume and ATR. So I do keep a track of ATR, but sometimes when the market is very violent, it's very difficult to monitor in small charts. So I do open, for example, like February chart, like in greater detail with a little more indicators, right? Like so this would be the 5-day moving average. Then I would see have the VWAP, then some pivots and other things, right? Nothing so fancy, just CPR, volume, moving average, VWAP, ATR. That's it. Sometimes I do see like where Nifty is trading compared to like uh, the previous time range. But it's like just the monthly features, so it's not worthwhile to kind of do so much of studies during the market hours. The analysis is best done before the market hours. Then to kind of keep a track on where the index is moving, I use the Edelweiss free service. So even if you don't have an account with Edelweiss, you can use this their you can go to their main website, and you can see the you can click this deep dive, and you can see the top index movers for the day, and the index draggers and pullers. So other than that, I also like during the initial days I was not very comfortable like going to kind of Opstra and making other strategies, though Opstra provides better data. But this is like kind of sensible, is like easy to use. So usually the strategies is just like everybody. The strategy is a short strangle. So like, right. So if you're like kind of very loss averse, you can use iron butterfly. But again, you limit the kind of profits also. But usually, because like now the downside risk is a little bit high, I wouldn't suggest anybody to sell put options here. So like you can kind of like move it a little bit lower side down to kind of minimize your risk. And on the upper side you can kind of be comfortable, like at a little like closer. So that's it. Like so if this is the strategy kind of deployed, you will require like kind of 54,000 per lot, and you will be able to kind of get a profit of like close to 7,000 if all is well. So your return would be kind of 1.6% per week. That is like decent returns. So in case if your position goes against you, obviously you will have to know about doing good adjustments. So to know good adjustments, it takes some time. But yeah, it's better to kind of learn things before deploying. Features and options are like risky things to venture into. But once you're mastered, like you can actually start with one lot, and the maximum loss you are going to get on the downside is going to be 2,600 rupees, and on the upside also it's going to be 2,600 rupees. That's like a decent enough risk to take as a beginner. Also, you can deploy the strategy, wait for a week, and yeah, see how it goes. So this would be kind of simple trade idea. So to say, it's not mine, I've just devised it, and this is not a trade recommendation. You have to like take at your own cost. I'm just showing how things work. Yeah. So if market stays like in this close range, say for example from 17,150 to 17,400, still you will be at profit, though your like best profit range would be from 17,200 to 17,300. Thank you.